Hello and welcome to Penby Photography. My name's Penny. Today we're at Iwas Pond. So this is going to be slightly different to normal. This could be a vlog of, is it possible to do a vlog whilst your family are with you? And at the moment I sum up that it might not be possible, but we're going to give it a go. So anyway, back on subject. We're at Iwas Pond. We've been here, I've been here before. I'll set a link up for the one before. There is some lily pads in the pond, so I think what we're going to go for today is sort of just a really simple photo of lily pads and see if we can make something nice out of that. Anyway, let's get on with it and see how we do. Right, you're going to have to bear with me because it's in the middle of the day instead of golden hour. So it's very busy at Iwas Pond because it's really nice here. But change of plan, we haven't done lily pads. I've come to the other end of the pond to do little wild birds, little garden birds, blue tits, cold tits, that sort of thing. So the settings on my camera, we've got the 100 to 400. These are really tame birds here, so I've managed to get up quite close. I've got it extended to the full 400. We've got the stabilizer on, and I've got the focus set to 1.8 meters, which means that I can be a lot closer. If it was set to the over 6 meters away, I wouldn't be able to focus on the birds. With the stabilizer on, that sorts out my shake, but obviously these little birds move very fast, so my shutter speed is on 0.08 of a second, and to be honest I wouldn't want to go for these tiny little birds below that. Then we've got 5.6 to try and knock the background out, make it a bit blurry, and I've got my ISO on automatic because I can't muck around with the ISO. I would miss all the pictures because they're quite fast. These birds are fed here quite regularly, not by me but by lots of people, so they're just so used to people. But I have put a little bit of extra food down, but just to try and make it look a bit more natural. The photos I've taken are on the branches and not at the food that I've baited them with. I'll put together a selection of my favourite pictures and then I will show them to you now, and I hope you like them. Here we go. And hello and welcome to Penby Photography. I'm Penny. Don't laugh at your mama. Hello. No, it's harder with you two. Right, let's start again. All right. Hello and welcome to Penby. Some birds. They are. Well, that doesn't help. Let's try again. Right, change of. I've turned it on. So you need to go action. Can you say that? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Pooh? Okay, now. It's very serious.